There are a number of disciplines that are studied in a lifetime. Most of them are not practically used by everyone. However, all the disciplines are very important in order to grow well. These different types of disciplines are extremely helpful in understanding the way of work of culture in different types of industries. Also, with the help of such variety of disciplines, it becomes easy to differentiate between them. The study of a variety of disciplines is very important for mental growth as well as thinking or thought process of a person. All of the studies are important as in order to understand that a person has to put some stress on his mind. This gives birth to an intellectual thinker who considers each and every fact around him and uses logic in order to bring out a result. There are a variety of disciplines that are extremely important, and statistics is one of them. Statistics is definitely a discipline which everyone has studied in their different levels of education. Some might get introduced with the statistics at the school level, and some might have studied about it at their college level. However, it really does not matter who has a study in what, unless the content for discipline which is studied is understood and usable. Statistics provide a better way through which the representation of data becomes nice and easy, and it seems to be possible. Before the introduction of statistics, there used to be many different ways, but after the introduction of statistics, many things have been made possible. Statistics is basically used by different types of companies and a variety of sectors that include almost every important sector of a nation. All these factors are required to provide different types of reports that are based on their businesses. These reports are required to be brief, but at the same time, the whole report should be there to present or demonstrate. However, there was a time when big bunches of reports in the return form are released by industries. But it is also important to understand that not everyone has that much time to read every report word by word. In that situation, many important things and points were missed out by the readers, and the industries also used to be on the verge of many disadvantages. To think logically, one can assume that not everyone has time to read all the reports that are generated. At the same time, everyone is busy with their own jobs, and the task of the analysis of these reports is also next to impossible. It is because there are not a few industries of sectors, but there are multiple sectors, and in those multiple sectors there can be thousands of industries. In such a situation, it can be very difficult to read and analyze each and every report. This situation not only creates problems, but a lot of delays were also noticed in the earlier times before the introduction of statistics. After the introduction of statistics in the mathematical discipline and other important factors, the task of report generation and report analysis became so much easy. The statistics are about the various degrees of data of any company or any industry. With the concept of statistics, it is made possible to demonstrate the important data in the form of a picture or drawings. Statistics use different types of graphs, charts, wheels, as well as other pictorial formats in order to present the data of a company. In this way, it becomes so much easier to understand the data of a company and much other important information about it, such as sales, profit, etc. A company has different or a variety of options with the help of which it can demonstrate its reports in different types or formats. This includes different types of bar graphs that show the results of a number of processes or items. The best thing about statistics is that with the help of different pictorial forms, the reports and comparison of many different years can be evaluated on a same picture or graph. By using a bar graph, a company demonstrated sales and growth of different years. However, earlier this was a big issue, and with the help of statistics, this has become possible. Also, there was a time when in order to show other important different data, they were used as a report that was being prepared for months. This is because every year the data is different, but with the help of bar graph, the problem of searching and analysis of a huge data is solved. There are a variety of ways in statistics with the help of which data can be demonstrated. It involves the different pictorial formats such as charts or wheels or other graphs. The statistics also provide color coding in the wheels, where the analysis of a different aspect of particular content can be completed. There are a lot of advantages of using statistics, and one of the most important, I guess, is that it is a real time saver. The time that used to be spent on generation of reports and analysis is shortened a lot. The variety of measures that are present in statistics are a very important part of it, and they are extremely helpful in understanding in the variances that occur in the concept of statistics. All the different types of measures are listed, which includes regression, skewness, kurtosis, as well as variance and the analysis of variance. All these measures are extremely vital in statistics. There are also two different types of statistics that are completely different or distinct from each other. Both of the different types of statistics are used in different conditions according to the requirement and necessity. At the same time, it is also extremely crucial to understand the importance of these different types of statistics. Study and analysis of these different types of statistics also involve many important ways of data evaluation. The statistics are also concerned with three important and major concepts, which are known as the mean, the median, and the mode. All of these are extremely important, where the mean is the most common, which is used for data analysis and calculating the average of a number of data set. Likewise, each of the concepts has different functionalities that are completely important and useful in the concept of statistics.